Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to curve words in Canva. So we have our pug here, and so we want to put the words above his head and curve it. So we're going to go over to text, and then we can select just a regular text box, add a heading, subheading. These are just templated text, but for this we'll just add a normal text box. Alright, and then let's type in hello pug. Okay, and then we'll move it above his head. And we'll pick out a font that we like. Let's go with this one. Alright, now let's pick a color for the font. I'll go with purple. Okay, and now we want to curve the words above his head. So we'll go to Effects. And then we have all of these different things that we can do to the words. We're going to scroll all the way down and do this curve. So now the words have automatically curved. Now we can make it bigger by scrolling to the right, and then it will be less curved or smaller and it will be more curved. Maybe we'll just make the font a little bit bigger too. There you go. It'll fit a little bit better above his head. And that is how you curve the words. And then if you want to put it underneath his head, you just go the other way. So now you'll scroll all the way to the right, and then it'll turn around and bend the other way. And now it's underneath. And that is how you curve words in Canva. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.